Take it out of the way? Huh?
You probably catch a video.
Yeah. Green or orange, I mean.
Orange?
Orange or green?
I take green.
Oh, I'll take orange.
I'll take orange. Hey, you know I like my
Alright, who you got your money on? Who you got your money on? Who you got your money on? Who's the money on? Who's the money on?
Let's see.
Who's the next racers? Let's see who we got.
This gray, blue one.
There's a balloon on the track. There's the winner. There's the winner. There's the winner. There's Destin's car. Destin's car didn't do too well. Alright, who we got? We got blue and tan. Who you got? Blue and tan, blue and tan. I'm going with tan. Tan looks like he's got it wrong. Here we go. Come on, tan. Come on, tan. Come on, tan. Come on, tan.
You got a head start.
Yeah.
You jumped the gun, I think.
I went with tan. Ooh, who you got on this one?
Red, white, and blue.
Red or black?
Black. Money's on black. Black all day.
We're going red.
He got red. What do you got?
Red.
Red? You got red? What do you got? What do you got? Oh, snap. You might have it. black, come on, black, come on, black. That's right. That's right. You better switch to orange. Here we go. We got orange. Orange wins. That's awesome. Ooh. I'm taking old relic. Old relic. Old relic. What do you got? What do you got? Old relic or green?
Green.
You got green? What you got? What you got? Green? That one? We got green and red and relic. Come on, relic. Look at the patience on the relic, though.
Off the wheelie when he hit second. See that? Think you'll let me drive one? That orange one.
Oh, we got Craftsman versus Black.
Black.
We got Black, Craftsman or Black?
We'll go gray.
Then you go Craftsman?
Black.
Black?
Black.
Sergio, what do you got? Craftsman or Black? Craftsman or Black?
What?
Craftsman or Black? Craftsman, all right. Woo! Craftsman, let's go Craftsman. Look, it's got the cup holder. He's ready. Craftsman had it by head.
John Deere on this one.
Oh, I'm going Relic?
Yeah, I got a
Relic?
John Deere.
John Deere.
John Deere? What do you about you, Sergio?
The blue one.
The blue one.
John Deere.
John Deere?
Johnson Clear.
Yeah, okay. Ryan's going Pride Parade. Woo! Look at that nasty Craftsman. Blue one.
Blue one.
You're gonna walk in.
Louise got scared.
They just raced to here.
Yeah. That's why I figured, I'm like, if I come down here, it's gonna. We got Green and Craftsman. Come on, Craftsman. Come on, Craftsman. Oh! Green one. Oh, here we go. I want to see that Craftsman versus that orange. Yeah, let's go, Craftsman! Dude, that that Craftsman and that orange one, that one that's right up on the right,
That sucker.
that orange one's a bad mamma jamma.
Yes, it is.
I want one. Orange fouled out. Orange fouled out.
Jumped the gun, didn't
Yeah. You got that red light. That dude right there is one bad mamma jamma. There's our winner. Tan finally won. Oh, here we go. Craftsman versus Relic. Look at that Craftsman. That thing's a tank.
Yeah, I'm going with the Craftsman.
Going Craftsman? Yeah, I don't think Relic's gonna do this one too well. Relic won!
He did get him. He sure did.
That is super cool.
Barely, but he got him.
Yeah, he just had a little bit of a jump off him. Let's go, Craftsman. There's second place. Here comes our winner. Old Relic. Old Relic did it. Oh, here we go. This is the one we've been waiting for. Oh, maybe? Nope, nope. Uh-oh, they're bringing out the Honda. They're bringing out the Honda. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Just skipped across that thing. That thing's mean. Who we got? We got Relic. We got the old John Deere Relic versus the Honda. The red Honda. Ooh, that Honda might be a sleeper.
I'm gonna have to go with the Relic again.
Oh, I got faith in the Honda.
All right,
The Honda's got.
let's see.
Oh,
Did you lose your faith?
I lost my. He let me down. Honda let me down. John Deere did it
The
again.
Relic's on fire, dude.
Dude,
Getting in its groove.
I want to see that Relic versus that orange one. That would be nice.
That'd be a good one.
Oh, orange one's down. They got that one. Here comes the Relic. Here comes. Woo! There's the winner. Honda let me down. I'm sorry, Honda. I still love you. We got one more? We're doing one more?
Halftime?
Now we got the old red up. Red, white, and blue. Oh, call. I thought it was the Relic. I thought the Relic was stepping up.
Maybe he is. Yeah?
Oh, they want to redo it. They want to. Oh, nope.
Suzuki up against the KZ.
Suzuki versus the KC. Let's see those guys.
Relic.
Come on, Relic. Come on, Relic.
Ready.
I think Relic won just by a hair.
Oh, no, look. Does it mean
You got the green flag?
See that green dot?
Yeah,
Does that mean you won?
possibly, yeah.
That was close.
That was a good one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got. We're thinking, there's the winner. There's the winner right there.
Yeah.
Oh, Relic coming up. Relic's badass. He's been doing good. That was a close one. Hey, look at that shirt. Look at that shirt. Look at that shirt.
How close was it?
Dude, it was
Like
hair.
that close, man.
Like from what it looked like here is the red, white, and blue one, just by just by jump.
That orange one's smoking. Huh? That orange one's too fast, dude. No one will touch it.
There he goes. Dang! No, dude, no. That old Relic kid, no.
The green that looks like that one.
Yeah, that green one that's up on the line, almost getting worked on. Yeah, no. There's your winner. There's the winner. Honda keeps letting me down. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Calling them out. Oh, no way.
Oh, here we go. We got the orange versus the red, white, and blue. See if the champ can still do it.
There's no doubt in my mind, Josh.
Oh, I know. That's awesome. Dude, I don't know what you ain't gonna beat that orange one.
Does it have tankers in it?
No. Uh-oh, Relic. They're coming again. They're coming again. Here's the champ. Champ coming through. Champ. I'm like, I thought we were.
Who's that guy?
I'm like, I stayed on the concrete.
Relic, bro.
Come on, here we go, Relic. Come on, Relic.
See him when he hit that second gear?
Just whoop, whoop, whoop.
Gals, he's up.
Relic wins again. There's your winner. Honda doing a good job, though. Honda doing
If you were
good.
driving that John Deere, it'd be a John Queer. You get a little small for that. Here's your boy.
Red, white, blue, and black.
Not working right. Didn't sound like.
Yeah. There's your champ. Who we got now? Who we got now? Who we got now? We got Relic versus the Craftsman, isn't it? No, the Honda. Oh,
Relic.
we got Relic.
My boy.
Gotta go with the old green.
False start or something.
Yeah, Honda fouled. And the winner in that round. Oh, he's going again, Relic. Here we go. They just want all Relic. That's all they want is Relic. We got Relic going again, and he's going to defend it. There's the tank. We got Craftsman.
With the grade.
Craftsman's got this. Black's got some issues. Spun out at the front top. go. We got one more.
Are you on live?
No, I'm just recording it.
Is he going by himself?
Nope, Craftsman versus. Ooh. This is the one that's been giving everybody some fun.
Okay, that was a different driver on that machine. He's getting a feel. He's going to feel those bumps.
And that's it.
Okay, be right back.
Woo!